Ever seen a pancake bigger than your head? This eggy street crepe stuffed with herbs and crunch, and it's folded in seconds. Stick around. Is that fruit coated in glass? Hawthorn berries drenched in molten sugar. One bite, the shell explodes. Hear it pop.
This is a simple, everyday village life story. It shows routine activities, conversations between people, and how the village is slowly developing. The tone feels natural and real, as if you're walking through the village yourself and observing. I'm going to pick up my breakfast. Chicken, come here. When the food is ready, I go to the village to learn. Let's see what the villagers are doing. The sun is so big today. There are a lot of clothes to wash. Hello? The iron lady in the back is cooking. There are 2 people here. I'm going to ask what they are growing here. What kind of vegetables do you grow here? How many hours do you have to sit outside every day? You're leaving now, aren't you? I have nothing to do, so I'm going to stay here for a while. This grass was cut off by the iron lady. Do you grow your own vegetables or sell them? I grow my own vegetables. I grow my own vegetables. How much oil can you make with this piece of grass? You can make 52? 60 caddies of oil. How much is this piece of grass? This piece of grass is 50 to 60 caddies. This piece of grass is sold to others. That's a lot. How much can you make with this piece of grass? It's very cheap. Do you grow a lot of oil, vegetables? Now, is it easier to grow? I grow oil vegetables in winter. I can grow oil vegetables in spring and autumn. I can grow oil vegetables in spring and autumn. A car is moving. If I have nothing to do, I will go to the small shop. I will see if there is anything good to buy. There is a small shop in this small village. There are all kinds of small things, snacks, and cooking utensils at home. Let's take a look. There are also firecrackers and street lamps. Hello, hello, hello. Our village has really become a cultural village. There is also garbage here. The environment is more beautiful. The development of our village is still quite fast. I came here for the first time 10 years ago. It takes at least 2 hours to get here from a larger county town. It takes less than 40 minutes to drive here. The road is very wide. There is no small mountain road. It's all a big road through tunnels and bridges. I used to go far up the mountain. I have to go through our village. But now there is basically no car on the new road. This new road is very good. But I think this house is a pity. So many cars come into his house every day. Poor. Our village is getting better recently. Many houses are beautiful. The walls are all painted. Hello, ignore me, right? Okay, forget it. A high-end tractor. Look. At this, it has a motor in front of it. And the handle here is a bit like a motorcycle. I haven't done this yet. Go home and rest. Hello, Uncle Wong. We meet again. You must be good friends with the boss of Xiaobi. This house is a bit like a cow's. Horn. Do you want to go to the Pangaea Museum in our village? Ma Shaju. I found a part of a honeycomb on the side of the road. This is where you eat honey. There are a lot of vegetables here. Hello? What is this? What is this? This is honey. Where? Do you put it on the mountain? Put it on the mountain. Hello, Dot. You are amazing. I was scared to death. Such a high place. How are you? Are you celebrating the New Year in England? Yes. My wife is in this village. Your wife is in this village. Yes. How many years have you been in England? 2 or 3 years? 2 or 3 years? Do you still have to work during the New Year? I have to go to work. That's hard. I can't help it. Come on. Happy New Year. The same. Happy New Year.